everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some Scrap Diva design project shares. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using the code prisgemicinc10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First up, we have these Valentine Words 2026, and there's this really lovely heart that you can layer on, and as well as this really nice stitched background for the shadow word. And I also layered this word with some glitter gold foam at the bottom, and this one says love you. We have crush, Valentine gang, Valentine, hey sugar, babe, heartbreaker, hugs and kisses, vibes, and hello lover. And I love this lip at the end. You can use it for other embellishments as well. Super cool. And let's move on to the next project. We have this Valentine Cottage mini album, and it's really cute. It has these, it includes these bows and these little puffs. It could be like shrubbery for the bottom here as well if you like. And it includes the store. Whatever you see here is all included, and I just thought this was like super cute. The chimney, it has these hearts that you can put around the cottage, and the windows you can probably put like little pictures inside as well. And I added this little resin cupid standing in front of the door, and yeah, it's really cute. And I kind of like left this top part open so you can put things inside like this, or you can put like a little figurine in here or here or here. It'll look neat that you can like interchange it. And so this is the Valentine Cottage mini album. And next up we have these bag toppers, and these bag toppers, there's like two sizes, and these two sizes, one is small and the other one is bigger. And I love how the back is like the opposite view when you turn in the back like this. It's really cool, and it cuts out all at once, so, and then you just need to like fold it in half like this. And so here I have an example of a bag topper. I've added those bows that we had from my other video, my sneak peek video for the January release, and so I made some more bows here, and I've highlighted it in white. I find it looks really cool when you just highlighted it with some white gel pen. And so yeah, so this one is the same as well. The back is like that, and yeah, these bows are it has 3 sizes, and it's all in one set, so this is like the smallest size. And I placed it on top of a acetate, and so it looks clear, and I put it inside the bag and put some little sequins in here. It says love, and there's some heart sequins as well. So I just thought this was like really cute. And this one I layered it with some pink foam here, and this one I've layered with that gold glitter foam at the bottom. It's really cute, and they're really easy to make and really quick too, so it looks so cool. And finally, I have this final project. I still have more projects to share with you. I'm still making them. So here is the 3D bakery box, and I just thought this was like super cool because you can actually put like a lot of items in here to gift for your friends, your family, and so and or teachers or anyone that you like to gift. You can put like socks in here, you roll them up and you can put them in, or you can actually put muffins in here, like actual or mini muffins or whatever. And there's so many things. I was even thinking you can put like stationery, like you have fountain pens and you have the bottle ink, like a small bottled ink. And this divider, you can make it just like however way you want it. You can do it like four partitions, or you can even make it 2 partitions going this away, or you can make it go like this away, the partitions, and it could be like vertical or horizontal. It's just very versatile. And so on this bakery box, this 3D bakery box, I added the A2 bow set that I showed you in the earlier video, the sneak peek video. So I've added this one here. I believe this is the largest size, and then here's the small size, and then there's a medium size. And as well, I've added the Ruffle set. So this Ruffle is the bigger one, and there was a smaller one as well. And so I've added a chain here. And this chain is, it has the little cupid and a key to open this heart lock here, as you can see. And this oh, and also the XOXO border is on here. And this paper collection that I'm using is Maggie Holmes' Pretty Picnic. And so there's this like really cute dog. I think it might be a terrier. I'm not really quite sure. And it's just so cute with the blush on it. And it has like all these nice pastries because it's like a bakery. So we have like a blueberry tart here with a croissant and one of those, I don't remember what you call these cookies. Now I'm gonna have to go and look it up online what these ones are called. Lynn something. Anyways, I've added these flowers here. They're part of the collection, these flowers, and I've slipped this flower in between this like border here. It's really cool. You can like slip different things in here, put them in different positions. So I didn't really glue. I probably put some tape around like this, so there's like a little slot here that you can put things in. And it's just so pretty. I just love this 3D box. It's very useful. And so yeah, let's open it up. Okay. And this box is I can measure it, so if you want to put things in, it's probably about, oh, let me get the inches. The inches is about approximately, let's see, let me push it back down. It's approximately 2 1/8 of an inch for the height. And then we have about 7 3/4 inches in length, and then the width is like 6 inches approximately. So yeah, let's okay, let's open this box up. Hopefully I can get it open. Just when I want it to open, I'm just like shaking. I can Usually open it really easily. And so, yeah, so it's like, yeah, so Jen Cassell has a tutorial on showing you how to make these dividers. It's really neat. Go check out her page. And so, yeah, I'm thinking you don't even, if you want like a certain number of partitions, it's really easy. You don't, if you don't want the 4, you just want 2 like this, you don't need to use this part of the divider. And so, yeah, and what I did was I've added these are from my stash, these pastries and cookies and cakes and tarts. And I just thought it was cool because like it's a bakery box. So I've added all these baking items in here. So we have a cake, this really delicious strawberry cake that's layered. I've added some like this like polymer clay on there that is like strawberry slice. So yeah, and so it's so deep in here because it's like more than 2 inches high. So I have this crochet Miffy rabbit bunny that I bought from Shea Lippy, and so like yeah, it fits in here. Like you could probably add many more of these items in there, and so it fits on top of this like tissue paper. And then you have the croissants here right beside it. It's so cute. I just love this box. It's so cool, this box. And we have the tarts in here. You could probably have a lining like parchment paper on here, and then you can put real food in there. Like you bake like your own little mini cupcakes or whatever it is. And so yeah, and then I have these like pretzels that are dipped in white chocolate, and then we have these the cookies. They're sort of like Christmas cookies, I think. Yes, so yeah, so this is the, oh, and the tarts we have here. And these are all from my stash. Whatever I made here, these are from my stash. So I just thought this box was like really cute. It's a really cute bakery box. And yeah, you can add many different things in there, like snacks or whatever. So it's really, really awesome. And then you can just put it back in. Looks really nice with the bow here. And then the ruffles. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.